Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Inshallah ta'ala, today we're going to be studying um, from Treasures of Arabic Morphology, page 71. The elative form of verbs is what we're going to be studying. This is called ism tafdil in Arabic language. Ism tafdil is a derived noun, just like we've been learning ismi fa'il, ismi maf'ul, all of those things. The next one is ismi tafdil. And ismi tafdil is a noun that indicates the comparative or superlative degree. So the most of something, or you would say more of something, or most. So you would say, for example, the word, which we all know, we say all the time, which is Allahu Akbar. So Akbar is on the form of ismi tafdil. Ismi tafdil, the most virtuous, afdalu. The scale of af'alu is used for this purpose. So when you want to say anything is the most or more, you want to say akbaru min, it is greater or bigger than anything, or al akbar, the greatest. So you use this form, this scale, af'alu. Except for colors and defects. You can't use the superlative, the elative form for defects and colors. It's more red or it's more blind. You don't use that. In the case of colors and defects, the scale of af'al is used for sifat mushabba. You're going to learn what sifat mushabba is in our next video, inshallah. So skip that for now. Tanween, next point though. Next important point is right here. Tanween never comes on ism tafdil. The ism tafdil generally renders the meaning of the doer. Now listen closely. The ism tafdil can give the meaning of the doer of an action, but sometimes it can give the meaning of the object. And the example is this here, the word ashhar. Now we know mashhur, we know shahara. Shahara means to be famous. So ashhar is the most famous. But if you look at the meaning, you would say Zayd ashhar. He is more famous, meaning he's the object of fame. Okay? He is the object of fame. So here under follows the paradigm for ism tafdil. So you're going to learn ism tafdil now, the paradigm for it. Let's go through that right here. Here you go. Now, what do they say? Af'alu, af'alani, af'aluna, afa'ilu. Fu'la. You're going to have to remember this fu'la, okay? This is the mu'annath way of, so kubra. You want to say kubra. You want to say that the greatest feminine something, you would say kubra, kubra. Okay, so fu'layani, fu'layatun, fu'alun. So this is the way to say the superlative form, the elative form of these words. Let's look at it again. Af'alu, af'alani, af'aluna, afa'ilu. Like you could say also, akbaru, akbarani, akbaruna, akabiru, akabiru. Like we say the akabir, our great ulama, the akabir. Or kubara, kubarayani, kubarayatun, kubarun, kubarun. Okay, so this is a short video on what the ism tafdil. Very simple, inshallah, not much. Of course, it's easier to know it or to speak about it than to actually memorize it. So take out some time this weekend and practice this verb, inshallah. And if you have any questions, we'll go over that tomorrow in class, inshallah. For your homework for Tuesday, if everyone could come to class just having put the elative form of each of these words. I'm sorry. So akramu, so yukramu, it would be akramu. Simple. Do that for each one of these, inshallah. That will be the end of today's class. Wa akhiru da'wana and alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum. See you tomorrow.